First, you get your luggage in the luggage carousel after you go through passport control, and you walk past this door in the distance there, you see. I couldn't videotape that, but as soon as you get out there, you turn right, and then you'll go down one set of escalators where you'll get to the area which is for the rental cars, which you go straight. If you go straight, there's a McDonald's, but if you turn right, you'll get to both of the train stations, the local, which is called the Bahnhof, and then the long distance, which is called the Fernbahnhof. If you get up to the bookstore, you'll make a U-turn, go up another set of 2 escalators, which will take you back up to a long hallway. The hallway is a bridge, really, that takes you to the train station. It also takes you to the connected Marriott and Sheraton hotels, which are there. It's not listed anywhere, so that's nice to know that they are located there. So you keep walking straight to the Fernbahnhof, the long range train, but the local city ones in Frankfurt are just the Bahnhof, which is a different direction. You can get your tickets up here too. There is a ticket kiosk at the end of this hallway. This is when you enter the train station, just past the ticket area. There's the reader board, and there are 4 different train gleases or tracks that you take an escalator down to from this particular area. Now I'm going to orient you a little bit. That's where we just came from, and that is the ticket kiosk. And if you look, you've got tracks 4 through 7, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You find your train up here, and it'll give you Fern whatever, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 7 on the right with your time, and that's the train you need to go to. You may not get that until about an hour before your train arrives. There's the train tracks below. You'll have another set of 2 escalators taking you below. There are places to eat here and shop if you're interested. Or no restrooms, however. The restrooms are in that bridge area. So it's about an hour until my train comes, so I'm going to take the escalator down. 2 sets of escalators, and then I'm going to check my ticket for the wagon. It'll say WG on your printed ticket or on your phone. Your phone might have it translated into English. So this says Wagen, VW, which is 11, wagon 11, car 11, place 13, 1 seat, 1 window, table, Grossraum. So it's a 1 window, Fenster's window, Tisch's table, Grossraum is large area. So you need to keep that because someone will stamp it. And here's a map of where the train goes and the platforms, A through G. So I'm in 11, so I need to be in around F. And so you see I'm on track 6, platform F. So here comes my train. I know this is my train because the reader board says it is ICE 200, high-speed train 200. I'm looking for car number 11, and I want seat 63. This is actually car 12. I walk into the wrong one here. I'll have to turn right and go to the next one over. So I just walked in the wrong one just because there's a big line at the other one. I walk in, it's first class. I'll turn. I'm just going to look left here, but I'm actually going to go to the right. Now here I am going to the right. This is in car 11, and this guy's putting his suitcase, taking the last spot for the coffers there. There aren't that many spots for large suitcases, so it can become a problem if you have too many. You get on the train last. So luckily I just have a small one so it can go overhead. And you just have to wait for all the people to find their spot. Now I have a Grossraum, which is a large 4-person area, but I just have seat number 63. Found it. It's labeled on the end of the chair, just so you know. I'm departing the station here. I'll show you that you also have a place to plug in your computer or your phone and charge it. In between the seats, there's a little light on each seat. There's a reader board up here telling you which train you're on, what time it is, what car you're in, where you're going. There I am charging my phone and my backup battery. And above you, there's a place to put your backpack or small suitcases. This is the view when you're traveling on the countryside. And it's not much here, but it works. So here I am arriving in Cologne, Bahnhof. And when you get out of here, there are taxis. There's Uber, Lyft pickup points. There's an S-Bahn nearby, which is the local train. You can take the local train somewhere else. And absolutely no shortage of taxis. But to get out, you have to go underground again. So you can't just walk off of the platform. So here I am arriving in Cologne. You have to go downstairs. Yet again, you kind of get underneath. And there are restaurants and toilets here as well. and an elevator, and then you're free once you get down.